1. The term caste was derived from A. Portuguese, B. Dutch, C. German, D. English. The right answer is A. 2. The term Greater India denotes A. Political unity, B. Cultural unity, C. Religious unity, D. Social unity. The right answer is B. 3. Who is rightly called the father of local self-government in India? A. Lord Mayo, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Curzon, D. Lord Clive. The right answer is B. 4. The two forms of democracy are A. Parliamentary and presidential, B. Direct and indirect, C. Monarchical and republican, D. Parliamentary and king. The right answer is A. 5. Which is an extra constitutional body? A. Language Commission, B. Planning Commission, C. Election Commission, D. Finance Commission. The right answer is B. 6. The Prime Minister of India is A. Elected, B. Appointed, C. Nominated, D. Selected. The right answer is B. 7. Which is not an All India service? A. Indian Administration Service, B. Indian Police Service, C. Indian Foreign Service, D. Indian Forest Service. The right answer is C. 8. The declaration that democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people, was made by A. George Washington, B. Winston Churchill, C. Abraham Lincoln, D. Theodore Roosevelt. The right answer is C. 9. India attained dominion status on A. the 15th of January 1947, B. the 15th of August 1947, C. the 15th of August 1950, D. the 15th of October 1947. The right answer is B. 10. Despotism is possible in A. One-party state, B. Two-party state, C. Multi-party state, D. Two- and multi-party state. The right answer is A. 11. Marks belong to A. Germany, B. Holland, C. France, D. Britain. The right answer is A. 12. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? A. Legislature, B. Executive, C. Political parties, D. Judiciary. The right answer is D. 13. Sarkaria Commission was concerned with A. Administrative reforms, B. Electoral reforms, C. Financial reforms, D. Center-state relations. The right answer is D. 14. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha has to address her letter of resignation to A. Prime Minister of India, B. President of India, C. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. The right answer is C. 15. A presidential ordinance can remain in force A. for 3 months, B. for 6 months, C. for 9 months, D. indefinitely. The right answer is B. 16. Judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on A. Rule of law, B. Due process of law, C. Procedure established by law, D. Precedents and conventions. The right answer is C. 17. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on A. the 26th of January 1950, B. the 26th of December 1949, C. the 26th of November 1949, D. the 30th of November 1949. The right answer is C. 18. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is C. 19. Which innovative discussion process is introduced by the Indian Parliament to the world parliamentary systems? A. Question hour, B. Zero hour, C. Resolutions, D. Presidential speech. The right answer is B. 20. The judges of the Supreme Court retire at the age of A. 60 years, B. 65 years, C. 62 years, D. 58 years. The right answer is B. 21. Who was the architect of North and South blocks of the Central Secretariat in Delhi? A. Sir Edward Lutyens, B. Herbert Baker, C. Robert or Russell. D. Antonin Raymond. The right answer is B. 22. If the Anglo-Indian community does not get adequate representation in the Lok Sabha, 2 members of the community can be nominated by A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Speaker, D. President in consultation with the Parliament. The right answer is A. 23. For the election of President of India, a citizen should have completed the age of A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years, D. 18 years. The right answer is B. 24. A member of Parliament will lose his membership of Parliament if he is continuously absent from sessions for A. 45 days, B. 60 days, C. 90 days, D. 365 days. The right answer is B. 25. In India, the residuary powers are vested with A. Union government, B. State government, C. Both the union government and the state government, D. Local government. The right answer is A. 26. The National Commission for Minorities was constituted in the year A. 1990, B. 1992, C. 1980, D. 1989. The right answer is B. 27. In which of the following systems of government is bicameralism an essential feature? A. Federal system, B. Unitary system, C. Parliamentary system, D. Presidential system. The right answer is A. 28. Socialism succeeds in achieving A. Higher standard of living of the people, B. Equal distribution of income in the society, C. Higher individual welfare in the society, D. Maximum social welfare in the society. The right answer is B. 29. The seat of Madhya Pradesh High Court is located at A. Gwalior, B. Indore, C. Bhopal, D. Jabalpur. The right answer is D. 30. Who said that the directive principles of state policy are just like a check on bank payable at the convenience of the bank? A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. K. T. Shah, C. B. R. Ambedkar, D. N. G. Ranga. The right answer is B. 31. The proposal for the creation of new All India services can be considered only A. If majority of state legislatures make such demand, B. If Lok Sabha passes a resolution by 2/3 majority, C. If the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by 2/3 majority, D. None of the above. The right answer is C. 32. The authority to specify which castes shall be deemed to be scheduled castes rests with the A. Commissioner for Scheduled Castes and Tribes, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Governor. The right answer is A. 33. The seat of Kerala High Court is located at A. Kottayam, B. Thiruvananthapuram, C. Kollam, D. Ernakulam. The right answer is D. 34. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was A. S. Radhakrishnan, B. M. Ananthasayanam Iyengar, C. Sardar Hukam Singh, D. G. V. Mavlankar. The right answer is D. 35. The social contract theory deals with A. The purpose of state, B. The origin of the state, C. The nature of state, D. The functions of state. The right answer is B. 36. The Supreme Court of India offers advice to the President on matters of legal, public or constitutional importance based on A. Article 148, B. Article 129, C. Article 147, D. Article 143. The right answer is D. 37. Which is the most effective means of executive control of administration? A. Financial administration, B. Political direction, C. Appointment and removal of top officials, D. Subordinate legislation. The right answer is C. 38. Violation of rule of law arises mostly from A. Lack of checks and balances, B. Executive's quasi-judicial powers, C. Limited franchise, D. Delegated legislation. The right answer is A. 39. The Constitutional Amendment Act that has introduced safeguards against the misuse of proclamation of national emergency is A. 42nd Amendment Act, B. 43rd Amendment Act. C. 44th Amendment Act. D. 45th Amendment Act. The right answer is C. 40. The fundamental rights can be suspended by A. Governor. B. President. C. Law Minister. D. Prime Minister. The right answer is B. 41. The main reason for the growth of communalism in India is A. Educational and economic backwardness of minority groups. B. Political consciousness. C. Social inequalities. D. Imposing ban on communal organizations. The right answer is A. 42. A retired judge of a high court is not permitted to practice as a lawyer in A. Supreme Court. B. Any court in India. C. High courts. D. Except the High Court where he retired. The right answer is D. 43. Which one of the following does not match? A. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. B. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, 1971. C. Domestic Violence on Women Act, 1990. D. Cruelty Against Women, 1995. The right answer is C. 44. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 12 months. D. 1 month. The right answer is B. 45. In which part of the Indian Constitution, the fundamental duties are enshrined? A. 4. B. 4A. C. 4B. D. 5. The right answer is B. 46. Who described the Government of India Act, 1935 as a new charter of bondage? A. B. R. Ambedkar. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is D. 48. Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? A. President of India. B. Chief Justice of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The right answer is B. 49. Constituent Assembly of India was formulated on the recommendation of A. Waiver Plan. B. Cripps Mission. C. August Offer. D. Cabinet Mission. The right answer is D. 50. Which of the following is an essential element of the state? A. Sovereignty. B. Government. C. Territory. D. All these. The right answer is D. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.